Well, it's Saturday, so it's time for a Stockman stampede. It's been a little while since I've done a Saturday Stockman stampede, so I've gone back in my collection and tried to find the next one up to show, and this one is one of my newer ones. This is a 2014 that I bought from Shepherd Hills Cutlery. Been some time back. The knife was a new knife when I bought it, and like a couple others that I've gotten in the past, they were selling this one for $34.98 when I bought it years ago, and it has been uncarried, unused, unsharpened in the box since I bought it. This is the antique Sawcut bone with the pewter oval case XX USA shield. It's a 6318. It's beautiful bone on these handles here. Brass pins, brass liners. The tang stamp is a 2014 tang stamp, but the box says February 11th, 2015. So I'm assuming this was put together in February 2015 with a clip point blade that was made in 2014. No big deal. It's got that thin California clip point. Nice snap. Sheep's foot blade. There is the USA 6318 stainless steel. Not much blade rub on this particular knife for a 6318 Stockman. And of course, there's the the spade blade with the stainless steel indication on the tang. That's a nice one. There you go, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments. Thanks for watching.